We have a victim, a volunteer. What's your name and what do you do?
My name is John. I'm the general manager at 115 Bourbon Street.
Whoa, the general manager of 115 Bourbon Street. I'm sure he has a lot of friends and maybe some enemies that would love to see you get dunked, but I don't think that water is quite cold enough. Can you guys help me out back there? There we go. There we go. And look who we have here. We have Natalie's cousin who denied.
Natalie, you wouldn't let me shave my head, so I'm going to throw a ball at your friend.
All right. You feel good? How's your arm?
It's getting loose.
All right. Are you ready to take a shot, John? Say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Oh! All right. Not so good. Natalie, we should have listened to you. All right. What's your name?
Artemis.
How's your arm?
I hope better.
Let's see. Give it a throw. Oh! All right, there's got to be a ringer. Hey, this guy right here. It's the owner. The owner. Here we go. Here we go. All right. How about a hand for John? All right, don't take. Thank you. Here.
There we go.
All right, thank you. Back to you guys. Thank you.